Hi, I'm Jan from youmakeitsimple.com. I thought I would just take a few minutes after my yoga class today to demonstrate how to skin brush. Now I know I have a few posts on my blog already about it, but I just thought I would share with you how I do it and some of the added things that I do that I think are really beneficial. I have been skin brushing for many years and love the benefits of it. I'm just going to tell you a few of the benefits from skin brushing, and you can get more information, like I say, on my website. It stimulates blood flow, the lymphatic system. Remember, we always want to be working up towards the heart. So don't get hung up on the details and the technical forms that you may have seen, but what is important that you're working and making the strokes towards the heart on your body. You will be using a skin brush without water. You do not do this in the shower. You do this before you get in the shower without clothes on and with a dry brush. Occasionally you want to wash off your skin brush and let it hang to dry, but you will be using this dry without clothes. I like to do it in front of a mirror so I can do my positive affirmations while I'm skin brushing. And I feel, as a practitioner dealing with a lot of emotional release, that this is a very good way to release negative emotions, to confirm positive emotions and make things change quickly. Because while we're stimulating body, while we're bringing our awareness to these things, I feel like they shift quickly and help us in that realm. So some of the things that skin brushing is good for, just some quick tips and benefits of skin brushing. So obviously when we're skin brushing, we are removing probably a lot of dead skin cells. Well, we are releasing and removing a lot of dead skin cells from the body, which allows a nice glow and a nice healthy skin. It also stimulates the blood and the lymphatic system, which is wonderful. To help you, if you find you're sick, you might want to skin brush a couple times a day, but this is good to keep the lymphatic system moving. It eliminates toxins by that movement, and while we're covering and taking and stimulating the whole body, the whole skin, we release a lot of toxins from that area. It encourages cells to regenerate, stimulates the nervous system as well, and a really good benefit, it reduces and gets rid of cellulite. So I used to have some problems with that many years ago, and I don't anymore, and I really think that it's from the skin brushing, and it eliminates it quite quickly. So another great benefit to that. Let's see, I'm just going to go ahead and demo how you do it and how I do it. I think it's awesome to, like I say, add positive affirmations. So while we are skin brushing, we're touching a part of our body and stimulating it. I like to affirm and show gratitude for my body and what it's doing and the things that I am trying to work on or would like to be different. I affirm that and I state it. Because remember, what we put our focus on grows. So if we're worrying and being concerned about the arthritis or the lack of skin tone or the big belly or whatever we are bringing a lot of focus on, that will continue to grow. That will continue to get bigger. If we put our focus and awareness and show gratitude towards positive things and stating and thinking about how we do want our body to be, then I know that we can switch that out and we can change that. The mind is very powerful. So once a day, I love to do affirmations in the mirror work, and so why not add this to your regimen with your mirror work or your positive affirmations while stimulating the body and skin brushing. So something I do in the morning pretty much every day. If I don't have a lot of time, I don't take as much time to go through all of the things, but sometimes I really just like to really take time to move over the body and show gratitude and say my affirmations. So I'm just kind of demonstrate what it would look like and how I do it. Again, we want to stimulate the body from wherever we're at towards the heart. So everything upward strokes towards the heart. Don't get hung up on details again. Just some kind of movement towards the heart and upward strokes. Don't push too hard, and find a brush that feels good for your skin. So I usually start on my feet, or sometimes I just start on my heart and my chest. So I'll just start on the feet and just to demonstrate how that goes. So if you need to sit, get a chair and sit, because you will be wanting to get the bottoms of the feet and the tops of the feet. And so if that's not doable to stand and do that, hold on to something or have a seat. So starting with my feet, I'm just going to bring my awareness to my feet. And with affirmations, I have healthy feet. I have healthy bones and tissue and tendons in my feet. I am grateful for my feet. I'm grateful for the foundation that I have. I am supported, greatly supported by my feet. I am supported by other people. Tops of the feet, towards the ankle, around the ankle, get the back of the foot. Now up towards my knee, just upward strokes, remember. And maybe saying, whatever it is that's going on in your body, or what do you want to affirm, is what you'll just say. It doesn't have to be real wordy. Just bring some awareness to it. I have healthy bones. I have healthy joints. I like to go in circular motions around my knees. On the joints, I have healthy joints. I have healthy tendons in my knee. And up the thigh towards the groin. Again, just upward strokes. Over the hip. Over the buttocks, just up towards the hip, up towards the back. And then you can do all one side, or you can just switch it out. So on the other foot, the same thing. Upward strokes. And again, saying those affirmations. I have healthy skin. I have healthy toned skin. I have healthy blood. I have healthy blood. I have healthy circulation up towards the hip on the thigh. Up to the hip, over the buttocks, up onto the hips, and then I have healthy, so for those women, I have a healthy uterus, I have a healthy toned bladder, I have a healthy toned stomach, I am at peace, I have a healthy digestive system. So around on the belly, clockwise motion, I like to start in a big circle and then go smaller towards the belly button, affirming that I have a healthy digestive system. Things move freely. I easily let go of stuff. And up the side body, up towards the armpit. The armpits are really big lymphatic storage and drainage there. So perhaps you have maybe acid reflux or something you want to affirm. I easily let go. So for women and men, on the breast, just from the center out, a lot of lymph stuff going on in this part of our body. So from the center of our chest, under your breast, towards the armpit, I easily let go of things. I am at peace. So we come to the hand and the fingers. I am so grateful for my hands. All that it does. All that my hands do all day. I'm so grateful. I have healthy, smooth, radiant skin. And up the arms. I have healthy circulation. I have healthy toned skin. And over on the shoulders. Round on the shoulders, really important area right here towards the armpit. And then the other hand. So I'm just going kind of quickly on this side, but the same thing, just moving up and saying those things and feeling them, feeling as if you already are experiencing that health, feeling that and experiencing the joints feeling good and being strong and the toned muscles and the toned skin. So down from the ear down the neck, back of the neck down towards the heart. I like to circle my ears. I'm so grateful for my ears that I can hear all the wonderful sounds. You don't want to skin brush on the face. If you do it all, just very, very, very gently. But I avoid that. You can do that in other ways. So the back side of the body, a lot going on the back side of the body. I have healthy hips. I have a healthy SI joint. I have healthy spine, a sacrum that functions properly. I have a spine that functions properly, that is strong and healthy. Up the spine, down on the kidneys. I have healthy kidneys. I have healthy kidneys, functioning kidneys, healthy organs, healthy adrenals. My adrenals are at peace. My adrenals are strong and healthy. And up towards around the back, I have healthy lungs. So I like these long-handled ones. You can get on the back a little more easily, and then down the back. On the heart, I have a healthy heart. I have perfect blood pressure for my body. I allow people to love me. And so you can add different things as you become more familiar with those affirmations and those things that you do want. I speak my mind. I am understood by others on the neck down. So another daily thing for you to do and try. Really cheap and inexpensive. Doesn't cost very much to have a skin brush at all, and doesn't take much time. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you add this to your part of your daily schedule. Thanks for joining me.